What's good, y'all? We back with the shop vlog. I don't know, man. We getting trees cut again. This is a tree that was right behind the shops. I supposed to be cut, but yeah. Part 2 tree cut by Joe. I'll show y'all the first tree cut down. Cut this tree down, not yesterday, but the day before. Right there. We about to sell the 72. About to finish getting the rest of the little parts off the 86 box. Hopefully both of these be gone. But he cut this tree there. Y'all see it with the dang limbs all on the floor of that tree right there. Man, can't really tell. Yeah, okay, y'all see it now. That tree. The big stump. Yeah, he cut that one too. I gotta grind it so we can get the driveway for the front shop done. Once I grind it, man, we'll be on or something. But the concrete appointment is not set yet. We ain't got no date because it's still muddy back here. But yeah, said record this tree, man. He finna climb up this thing so quick. Which side, which way you finna make it fall?
Everything gonna be right down there.
Oh yeah, perfect. Everything gonna be in this ditch. Going on, guys? It's been a minute. Finna finally get this backyard done on the concrete. Yeah, you can try it anywhere now. Man, gotta get this hill cut a little bit more. Possibly dig this stump out. Putting a sidewalk over here. All the list getting concrete, and then the whole other side of the house getting concrete for my kids' basketball, goal, pool, and connect the driveways together. There ain't gonna be no more of this clay. Like, it's gonna be a wrap for the clay, man. Amen. It's been, what, 4 long years? Which really, it could have been 3, but I opened the shop up. Shop ain't make no money, man, for real. So, tried something, didn't work. Going about my business. But, yeah. I'm about to keep working, and I just keep recording y'all in between. I would time lapse, but they gonna be here for a minute. So I have to keep posting, keep y'all posted. Grass, no more dirt. Yeah. Gonna call, give me some sod as soon as they get done. Some seeds. We gotta get some seeds for some of this stuff. Yeah, to move this stuff around. That was my last little walkway. We're going 5 feet off this section just in case I got something in the driveway or something. I need to use my hand truck, or I got something like I got be having machines on wheels. I be having my motors, whole bodies on wheels and everything. So, but ain't nobody going between the porch. I'm just saying, in case I need to move something, it'd be easy. I don't have to move nothing through mud no more. Like I got a motor I need to move into the other shop. Mud. It's on wheels and everything too. good minute. Alright, I just came back from an appointment. Yeah, this gonna be a sidewalk. A little low sidewalk. I'm gonna put some bricks here all the way around the perimeter. Probably about, I think they a foot tall, so I'm gonna try to do a 2 or 3 so my kids won't come over here and start playing on and hurt themselves on this hill. So I don't want them to be able to, you know, like I don't want them to be able to I'm finna slide, bust their knee or something on the concrete. You just put a nice little wall up here and shoot. I know my baby can't get up there, the big one can, but worst case scenario, I'll build it up higher than that. But yeah, had a rock following that contour. All this gonna get graded up a little bit more. And man, I kinda hate that my backyard on that slope, cause all that water that come down, it's gonna go that way. Yo, but it's cool, you know. You're gonna be getting water down there now instead of grass. So, I mean, instead of mud. You're gonna get water instead of mud. As soon as they done, I'm going to go make me an appointment and get that sod with my truck. All 4 of us with 3. Baby ain't gonna do nothing. Gonna come in, lay this thing down. But yeah, it's looking good. Real good. Real good. It's finally the time, man. Finally. Probably see if he can swing this out some. Keep the driveway a little bit wider. Or see what he recommends. Let's go. We go by this mesh. These center blocks. Yup. Oh yeah. Got 6 trucks of concrete. Let's get it. Let's get this shit done. It's been 4 years. Let's get it done. Yes, sir. Concrete it all. No more mud. Amen. All right. Framed up. Yep. Framed up. Yup. Got the phone ring. I gotta buy that circle piece for this basketball goal. I had took a nap, man. I was real tired. Tired. Going 5 feet right here. Connected to the house slab. Yes, sir. It's a big pour. Big pour. Tomorrow I cut y'all back on.
The next day.
What's going on, y'all? It's the next day, man. Dropped my daughter off. Yeah, shoot. Got my coffee. It was go time when I got here. I'm working, they working. And Uncle's supposed to be in here about 20 minutes ago. They'll be pouring in no time. Let's get it. Oh. Yeah. I get y'all some time-lapse footage. Other than that, I'm about to get on these machines and make some of this money back. Oh, yeah. I cut y'all on when the first truck, huh? Sidewalk. Finally. Got to be done. One truck, two truck, third truck. It went down today. It went down for sure. Oh yeah. Yeah. Be able to drive on it in 3 days. I can start moving this stuff around like I need to. Yeah. It'll finish sealing this floor and cleaning it up and all that. This is so nice, boy. Man. I'll cut y'all on once they finish the driveway, and then we'll do one last walk around.